Hello everybody, welcome to, I want to say another daily vlog, but these aren't turning into daily vlogs at all. They're more turning into like monthly, bi-monthly vlogs, adventure vlog. I'm currently hiking up a hill in Betws to explore Flynelsie. Now, Flynelsie is my all-time favourite lakes in Snowdonia. It's such a beautiful place. It's actually one of my first solo adventure locations. I came when I was around, I think, 22 years old. I booked my own hotel room at the Royal Oak in Betws and just had a full weekend of sketching, walking, reading on my own, and that is when I first discovered the beauty of solo adventuring. I'd been feeling the pull for a very, very long time, and then when I was here I noticed this walk up to a little hidden lake, so off I went, and it has easily become one of the most beautiful places I've ever visited. So here I am. The reason I'm doing it right now is because I'm a little early in meeting Hayley for this weekend's adventure. So I've arrived in Betws 2 hours early, so kind of perfect to just throw in this hike. And yeah, try and get some lovely pictures, videos, all that good stuff. And yeah, just enjoy this beautiful woodland. You can already see the views we're getting. Amazing. Yeah, I'm very out of breath. My legs are tired. The past 2 days I've done 2 consecutive runs up the Lawley Hill in Shropshire near where I live. It's over a 200-metre ascent run. I don't know why I've been doing that. My arm's aching holding this camera. So yeah, I'm a little bit achy, a little bit worn out, but we keep going. Might be an error actually me to do this right now, because I'm going to be hiking again with Hayley in a bit to get up to our camp spot. But yeah, oh well, it's fine. It's all fine. I do recall this hike being so much harder when I first came, when I was 22, and I thought I was way less fit, or I am way less fit now than I was then. But I don't know why on earth I think that, because I'm way more active now than I was when I was 22. I was working in a nightclub. I was in an unhealthy life. My brain was incredibly unhealthy. So many things. So now it's weird. In the moment when I was 22, I was like, oh, I'm unstoppable. I am living my best life. No one can teach me anything. Well, younger Kate, you had so much to learn and so much to change. Obviously the biggest one of those things is learning how much I was masking in life around my friends, in my relationship, around my family, in work, in so many different situations, even online. How much I was masking because I'm neurodivergent, and I had no clue. It's taken a long time to, 1, figure that out, 2, deal with it. I'm still dealing with it. I'm still learning from it. Oh my god, how nature heals and helps and supports in that. So when I first did this hike, they didn't have these cute little things, which I love. It's probably backwards on the camera, but it says 3/4 done, only 240 meters left to the top. It's quite cute. So happy for us. I do think that's good because it's definitely quite a hill. And like I said, when I first did it, I was very unfit. Didn't expect it to be so steep. So if the others in the same boat, it's nice to have those little markers, friendly little support signs, especially if you're on your own. Yeah, it's really nice. I might be remembering things wrong, but I'm certain this was my entrance to the edge of the lake. Also, the final signs that said, "You've made it to Thinelsey. Well done, it's flat from here." Bloody lies. Such a lie. Like, I've still not made it, and that sign was bloody ages ago. It's fine, I knew that, but that's really misleading. Especially if you take things literally as in, I'm here. Clearly not. Anyway, where's this entrance? Am I a little bit premature? I think I might be actually. Okay. No, it's down here. We're all good. Oh, just one of my favourite views. Favourite things to photograph, and hopefully, if it's quiet, if there's no one around, because I hate putting the drone up when there's people around, because I hate it when people do it around me. If there's no one around, I'm going to send it up and hopefully capture the forest changing colour, all of the evergreens. Oh, just you can't even see it. You can kind of see it in the distance here. That is one of my favourite views ever. I could stare at it for the rest of my life. And we have made it. So I'm on my way back down to the car now, but I've just been drawn in to the forest. This is so stunning. The moss floor, this trickling stream, and then over there, like right in the back, I'm gonna go and look. It kind of looks like a little hobbit home. Oh, I just love it so much. Okay guys, I'm back and I found a Hayley somewhere back there. Hi! There she is. Whew. So some of you will remember Hayley from my crib gawk video. I think that was 2 years ago now.
If not more, you know.
More?
No, actually, maybe not.
I think it's 2022 we did it.
Yeah.
I don't know.
No, I think you're right, actually.
And we're just debating how on earth we did that with these packs on, because these are, oh my god, so heavy. No, this is heavier than what it was on crib gawk.
Yeah, because the thing is as well, we were literally like hanging off the edge. We were like traversing.
We were scaling. We were scaling that ridge. So I couldn't do that with this, I don't think. But I'm wondering, yeah, how this would have been lighter. Because I swear I only have what I need. Oh my god, dying. Yeah, so we're hiking up a mountain to camp with too much gear apparently. So we're not actually doing the route that I thought we were doing. We are now, so we're going up to the Glidders area, and I thought we were going part way up Yagan, and going, yeah, just on like the edge around there. But no, Hayley wants to go up to Devil's Kitchen. Oh, that's a nice picture.
There.
Yeah.
That probably pissed me off, actually. Oh, that's closed.
You're right.
No, wait. Okay, wow. You know when you swallow orange really fast and like all the zest hits your esophagus?
It's not orange, it's Lucasade.
Yeah, but it's orange and peach.
I don't think that's legit orange and peach.
Well, it just happened. I'm good now.
God. So, what I was saying, and then we got distracted, was Hayley's dragging us up Devil's Kitchen. And it's the first time in my life, genuinely, that I've gone with someone else's decision.
I'm proud of you. I'm also really sorry. Because you're right, you're probably not going to get there for sunset, but you know what?
But the view is stunning.
It is.
It would have been stunning on the other side as well,
It
but...
would as well, but we're not going to think about that.
No.
Can I just show everyone how good this is?
Okay.
Look at that flexibility.
She's so proud of this. Oh my god.
I did that before, but I forgot to take the lid off. So it wasn't quite as impressive.
That is like a really good angle with the mountains. Like that would be an epic shot. Actually, I'm gonna get some on my camera. Okay guys, we have finally hit Devil's Kitchen. It's getting cloudy. I have no faith. Hayley has all the faith. She's gone. She's up there. She's on her way. Yeah, so we have this terrain now. Vertical ascent basically all the way to the top with these massive packs on. So yeah, oh, let's get going. Okay, we are, go on. What were you gonna say?
No, I thought you were talking.
Oh, I mean I am. We are now pretty much going into the clouds. But we've made it. We've made it to the stile, and yeah, the winds have really picked up actually, so hopefully we can find some sort of shelter, but if not, it's just going to be a windy night. I am in so much pain. I think this bag is just a little bit too heavy. But we're just trying to find a camp spot now. I don't know why I'm like almost whispering. I feel like I should be whispering. It's so moody. Yeah, this is a nice spot. We could do this. Let's go see the lake. I'll risk my hips for it.
There is, I think the one at the end is just going to be too windy.
Yeah, there's a lot of wind coming up the gully. Yeah, I think that. Is it boggy? Is it good?
Other than poo, which we can wipe off.
Okay, a bit of poo. I can deal with a bit of poo.
I'll get a little.
I'm sorry. And we have the lake in front of us. Oh gosh, that is
Isn't it?
amazing.
Have you ever seen a better erected tent?
No.
Because I haven't.
We are so proud of ourselves. This is the best.
What word are you going to go
I don't want to use this. This is the best I've ever put up a tent. Like, it's so taut, it's so neat. It's a little bit windy. We think the wind can possibly pick up even more. It's not even moving. I'm so proud of this. Hopefully we can open the doors because it's that taut. I think the zip's just gonna be like, no mate, you're not coming in now. No, we still need to put up the internal shelf, so let's go on with that. So we have just sorted all our gear out in the tent. Need to tidy this lot up because it's stressing me out. But this is my little situation, my new mat, my new OEX mat, and new pillow. I know that I spoke a little bit about it on my solo camp that I just did, because obviously I bought this gear after the solo camp that I bailed on, and I'm so glad I did. Like, Hayley was just like, you've basically taken a single bed and just brought it up the hill. But that is what we need for a comfy sleep. So now we're going to talk about Hayley's gear.
Yeah, so maybe let's not come to mind, because the issue that we've got here, let me just talk you through. So this is a three-quarter.
So just
little
your back.
roll mat. Yeah, so it literally covers like half of my torso. And then obviously my head then goes either onto the cold floor here, or what I've done is put my coat inside the sleeping bag to make a pillow. Now if we just compare, if we just bring ourselves over here, Kate's actually got this pillow, but she's also got another pillow inside, so she's got a double pillow, and obviously she's got a full length plumped up
Mattress.
cushy mattress.
I feel really bad.
Meanwhile, mine's a self-blow technique. So obviously Kate's isn't. She's practically bought.
Oh yeah, it's got like a whole pump situation,
Yeah, it's
hand
insane.
pump roll thing.
So I'm not gonna lie, I am slightly jealous at this point in time.
But you needed to do this, yes,
so,
because
I've
what
got like
are you doing?
a 5-day exped up in Scotland coming up. So this is proven, like yours actually. When you go out, like I'd be struggling up in Scotland with this setup. So I'm glad I've done it now. Actually,
So now she's seen my map, and this is definitely what you need. Like, feel that. We're
going down the mountain and to go outdoors tomorrow.
Yeah,
Amazing.
So,
No, that is absolute game changer though. And like the height that you're off the floor, like even in terms of temperature, getting cold, not just comfort, but like, you know, actually being warm, massive. Yeah, game changer.
So one of the things about this, we thought we'd found like really flat. Well, we have found really flat ground. Hayley luckily is on the flat ground with what you have, so it's kind of worked out okay.
Yeah.
I'm on the bumpy bit, and I was like, oh no, like there's quite like a dip in the middle. But honestly, I can't feel it.
That's so good.
And it is quite a dip as well. So I was like, oh, surely not. Like my mat won't cover that, and it really does.
Insane.
And this is literally, I'm not like being sponsored by this or anything, but £65 from Go Outdoors, perfect. And I complain about sleep. Like, I'm not a good sleeper.
It makes all the difference though, and like the fact you're literally nearly 10 centimeters off the ground there. Like
7.5 centimeters
Yeah,
is
insane.
the depth of this. So yeah, gonna finish sorting our stuff
sleep
out.
like a baby.
I'm so excited.
I'm just gonna eat my body weight in pasties and hope that makes me go to sleep.
Oh, it'll be fine. It'll be good. Yeah, I'm gonna sort all of this out because that's like, I think one of the most important things is making sure that your stuff is always organised. Well, for me anyway, because if it's all over the place, I don't know where anything is, and it stresses me out. I can't sleep next to this mess as well because my brain's a mess. So yeah, I can sort that
from
out.
like a safety perspective as well. Like I think from working with like commandos, they're always just like, if something happens, you have to get off the mountain. And so I'm just like,
oh, for sure. Military precision with everything. Prior preparation prevents piss poor performance, as my dad would say.
So true.
Drilled into us.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm gonna sort all that out and then eat my pasties. Yes. Okay, so I've come back, guys, because as we're sorting our stuff out, I'm just getting all of my dinner. And I want to show you guys what I'm having for dinner. So I have one little Welsh cake in here left over for dessert. Got a banana. Oh, sorry. Oh, you found them.
Found them.
She's found her socks. Banana, orange, Galaxy hot chocolate, which shall be made, and 2 cheese and onion pasties, not pastries, same thing. Yeah, it says pastry on the outside. Puff pastry slices. Don't have to cook them, do I? I'm gonna eat them anyway. These slices are ready to eat. Great.
Oh, the stress.
Yeah, so we're both gonna put our packs outside of the tent, and we've just got like stuff that we need inside. Yeah, the wind is picking up, but luckily we have set this tent up really well and we can barely hear it. Fingers crossed it'll stay like that throughout the night. Yeah. So tell you're awesome, dude. Okay, so we're just trying to look to see if we can get some train signal. Because I realise some people I've not contacted. What?
The moon, if it was so clear.
Oh my god, the moon, I know.
I think.
Because there is a little bit.
Yeah.
The moon is so good at the moment in its singing phase. But yeah, just seeing if we can wangle some signal somewhere, trying our luck, but I don't know. Please don't fall off the other side. You're scaring me.
So cute. Is that little focus now?
I don't know.
Oh, okay, look, there's 2 head torches on them.
She's all snuggly. I literally can't even see where. Oh, there she is. Little face.
I'm so happy.
Oh yeah, you can see me. Got my hot chocolate. That just went all very yellow. There we go. Got my hot chocolate. Sleeping bag. What am I saying? Hot water bottle. All sorted. And yeah, we're all comfy with the knowledge we need to get back out the tent and have a wee, brush our teeth and do all that fun stuff. We got comfy before we should have done.
Yeah.
Hayley's somewhere back there in the darkness. I don't think there she is. This little fuzzy dot.
It's just so comfortable.
It's getting windy. Just have these gusts of wind coming in.
Oh. Oh.
Oh. Don't like it. That looks creepy.
I feel like Thriller. that.
Oh my god.
We should do this on Halloween.
Okay.
It's like a full moon and be like, that would be creepy for them. We were brushing our teeth last night and instead of us just stood there, like, it'd literally be like...
Glad you're having a good time.
No.
Good morning, everybody. So we woke up to beautiful views, as you can see from the videos. But it was a lovely night's sleep. It was so warm. I didn't obviously get the best sleep because I don't think I ever do when camping, but it was one of the better sleeps. And Hayley was fine on the floor too. So yeah, all round a good camp sesh. So we're on our way down now after enjoying the views and having a lovely morning. Oh.
Okay, we're just on our way down from our camp spot and we had a really good sleep considering.
We found the views! Woo! So yeah, we had a great sleep, enjoyed our morning, a slow morning, just having breakfast, had some porridge, some coffees, lounged about a little bit, slowly woke up, and here we are heading back down Devil's Kitchen, and we are just starting to get some views of the lake down below. I love stay on it. I'm so jealous of this.
Oh, that is literally everything I needed and more.
So here we are in Beth Gallop, and we just had coffee and tea scone. We did want pizza, but didn't serve till 12, and then by the time it came to 12, didn't want the pizza anymore. So yeah, now heading back to the car, and we're going to head to Llyndinas and have a little bit of a swim. I'm definitely going to do it.
You will.
And you are.
Yeah, oh yeah, I'm gonna be underwater like a little Loch Ness monster.
Of all the things to be underwater,
I'm not
you
gonna be
pick a
graceful or
fictional
beautiful today, am I?
character. Excuse me, Loch Ness is offended. Loch Ness is offended. I'm out of breath. I'm tired. I just want to go to bed. But no, we're going to go and dive into the lake instead.
Yeah.
Because why not? We've made it this far. All the gear. we've got to do it now. Where's the excited Hayley gone?
I'm here. I'm just trying to rein it in.
No, never rein it in. We need hyped up vibes to do this. It's going to be absolutely freezing.
They're going to be so clean though. Like I feel like I'm
Of all
filming it,
things.
obviously. And I'm going to feel well refreshed.
Yeah, it'll be refreshing for sure. Hayley's in. Oh, you look like a little pea.
My little pea head.
There she is. The view's insane. It's so pretty. It's just so pretty.
Rock.
Oh, I hate that I've got warm and now I need to go deeper.
You'll just go numb soon.
That's okay. I need to acclimatise to going deeper anyway. But well, that was very refreshing. Look at that view. So lovely. I have stated that September is the best month for wild swimming because the water's still warm from summer and the air is still quite warm as well. So yeah, I could have stayed in there for ages. How long did I do in there?
I'd say 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Definitely could have done longer. Oh, it's midges everywhere.
So many.
I think you did the same as well.
Yeah, it's nice.
See, I was lovely.
Like acclimatised.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Oh
Wow.
god. Oh wow.
So many.
So many midges. I'm gonna see how I feel after this pizza, and then I might get a Bailey's hot chocolate.
Do it. Are you having pizza?
Yeah. Smile.
There was a moment.
Wait.
You know that.
There was no.